Hi everybody, and welcome to our week 2 video. Two things I'm going to do today is I'm going to go over the written assignment for week 2, the culture and diversity, discussing a client, and then the week 3 assignment as well. So I'm doing the video and I'm also sharing my screen because I want you to see. I'm going over the instructions here. Essentially, just considering who you are as a person, your race, your culture, your religious background, your values, things like that. And then picking a client who is different from you and kind of discussing why they're different, and addressing some of the following questions. How does the difference impact the way you interact with the client? In what ways do you think these differences impact how the client views you and how you view the client? And how would you use the NASW standards to guide your practice and treatment with this client? I want my big concern or thing I want to express to everyone is I want to make sure that you know that there's no judgment when discussing diversity and cultural competency. We need to be honest, so please be honest in your papers and assignments, and let me know. If you have any questions or concerns, just let me know what they are, and we can talk through them. But there again is no judgment. And then give me 1 second, and I'm going to go over to week 3. I want to show you the assignment for week 3 as well. Bear with me. So it's the field reflection that's due on week 3. So basically, you're doing another field reflection. So you're following the template that's given here. And, also some guidance that's offered under the major project. So I'm going to click on the field reflection template. So at a glance, it's due weeks 3, 6, and 11. And there's a video here that really can help you. And just my biggest concern from last semester to this semester is quality of your writing and quantity of your writing. A lot of you write very well, but I understand with your busy lives and field and everything else that you have to deal with, wanting to get something done. But the second reflection last semester looked a little rushed, and some of them were quite short in content. So this semester, if they come in short in content, I'm going to send them back. Not looking for a specific word count, but I want you to, more than 1 or 2 sentences per section is my expectation. And again, if you have any questions about this, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Lastly, we had a good question this week. One of the students emailed me and texted me, and we talked about the use of a mock person in your case presentations that I've assigned your weekly dates for. And if you want to use a mock person, as opposed to separate from your field supervisor, then you must talk to me about it. So if it's going to be anyone but your field supervisor, you need to let me know. And then we can kind of talk about the criteria for a mock person, because they're not someone who's familiar. It may be your husband or, a coworker who may not be familiar with the case. And, how are you going to get them familiar with the case? Are you going to script them? Things like that. So if you find that you are not going to be able to do it with your supervisor, and you need to use someone else, you need to be reaching out to me. Any other questions, please, guys, don't hesitate. I feel like this summer's going to go by pretty quick. And before you know it, we're all going to be done. So have a great week 2, and I'll see you all next week, and hopefully hear from you all during the week. Thanks. Bye-bye.